Christmas time, walking around Travessa de Misericórdia, going to Travessa de Misericórdia, checking out Travessa de Misericórdia, viewing Travessa de Misericórdia. Streets of Macau, Travessa de Misericórdia, December streets, Christmas time of year. Walking around Travessa de Misericórdia, going to Travessa de Misericórdia, checking out Travessa de Misericórdia, viewing Travessa de Misericórdia.
Okay, so we have a little bit of a Santa reference, and it's another Santa reference over there. It is December 21 right now. This is going to be our target street down there. There's poinsettias, there's some more Christmas references which include these Santa Clauses, which will make sense when we get down there. So I'll just give you a little highlight of other stuff too. Hotel Central, Pont 16, the green one, that big tall one over there, and then those mountains over there is China, Zhuhai. It's on the other side. Anyways, this is going to be our target street, and you can see the beautiful Macau artistry as well that made this into more of a tourist attraction. Stay tuned, let's put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we are going to be going down there in just a moment. You can see the beautiful artwork. And there's a whole thing up here. There's also a rooftop up there, which I'm not going to do in this particular one. But we are going to go down to that one. So let's go on. I think we're also going to walk down this street right here on our way. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is outside of the Mate building. So this is one of the Santa Clauses, but there's ribbons, and then we're gonna go around to the other side and go down our alley. There's different ways we can go, but I think people want to see kind of the Christmas spirit. So we're gonna follow this way and go down. It is December 21 right now. Christmas is only a few days away. And our target street is kind of in that alley. We're also going to be walking by one of the oldest buildings in Macau. I'll show you that too. We're going to go down Roquette Street right here. And then we have more Christmas cheer here. And you can also see one of the Christmas things up top above as well. So let's see all the commotion here. Try to capture it a little bit. But we're outside the Mate building, and then we're going to go around to our target street in a minute. So, okay, let's see. Okay. These kind of come around like this. Okay, so that's some of the Christmas spirit here. And just kind of go back a little bit. So yeah, this is actually Roquette Street. We were up on the rooftop of that. You can see one of the Christmas things. Let's bring the camera back down. And we are going to keep on going down. And we're going to go into our target street, which is right past this old mission house that we're going to also talk about in a little tiny bit. I'll give you a little bit of background. The mission house is the street that we're on. It's going to be right on the corner, and I think that there's a I think it's from the 1500s. I think it's one of the first buildings. That's also one of the oldest buildings too. This is the Royal Senate back when it was like part of Portugal. Okay, so as part of our Christmas, we have this one, and I think I want to get to our Target Street sooner than later. So we're gonna walk. Let me just come into the shade a little bit. And now you can see it's too sunny. Let's come over here to the shade. Still a little sunny. Okay, so this is our mission building right here. Let me go back a little bit. And our Target Street is right there, right between these two. Santa Casa de Misericordia is one of the oldest buildings in Macau. And there is a thing near our building. Also, as an aside, got more Christmas stuff here in Natal, so it'll look a lot better in the evening when it's all lit up. And then right here is the information for it. So it's 1569. So the Bishop of Macau, and then later I think it says it became a like a stuff for kids. Let me see. Tell you in a minute. Poinsettias. We're gonna walk up the street. So this is gonna be our Target Street. Before we go up the Target Street, this is a little bit of the mission house. I think it's actually open right now. Oh, this is a pharmacy. So I think the mission house, there is up on the second story. I think the entrance is down the hall a little bit. So the Museum of the Holy House of Mercy. So the Holy House of Mercy was for the orphanage. So it was run by nurses, by nuns, sorry. A little bit distracted from all the stuff going on in here. There's Hotel Central. I think at the beginning of the video, there's a green building up there. Okay, here's more. So 1569, Holy House of Mercy, oldest institution. So I guess maybe not the oldest building, but the oldest institution. Head office. And it went under renovations in the 19th century. And then this is, there's a street named after him as well. Okay. And then we started up there. We just kind of come in here a little bit. Beautiful flowers, plants. This is the museum. It's closed today. It's Sunday right now. If you did go in, it's only so yeah, see, it's closed. And then the admission is 5 mop, which is about 50 American cents. Maybe 60 American cents, something like that. 8 mop is $1, so 5 mop is 5/8 of a dollar. Okay, so that's our Target Street. There's the Santas up there, so a little bit of Christmas references here before Christmas. And we are going to go all the way up to this bust. So this bust is the first Bishop of Macau. So that's basically what he looked like, 1516 to 1583. And we'll just go right up. So that's where we started at. It was up there next to those Christmas trees. We're gonna come up a little bit closer here real quick. So that's the bust of the guy right there. Okay. And that's the street that he overlooks. It's kind of interesting. There's actually balcony apartments right there too. I wonder what that'd be like to live here. And have tourists, I guess, quite a bit. We also have lawyer's office on the street. There's another one. Another office of some kind. Okay, so we're gonna go back down. So yeah, I got you a little bit of Christmas spirit, a little bit of history with first Bishop of Macau, his bust, and a museum. I think his museum, I think there's like a replica of him. I went in there before, like I think he was, I don't want to say, but there's a lot of information about him, a lot of stuff in there regarding him, and also about the Holy House of Mercy. That's the name of the street right there, Travessa de Misericórdia. And then also that's that same name is the name of the house. Let's see if we can get through this people here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go across the street here, get into the shade, and then we can take a look at everything from a distance here. So now we're in the shade. There's the same name, Santa Casa de Misericordia, and then that's Travessa de Misericordia. And then now we're just in the Royal Senate is over there. The post office is over there. A lot of those are built at different times, but and then in this area you would have all these little arcade streets. And we'll just kind of take a look here real quick before we end the video. So yeah, there's also flags of China and of Macau, so they're alternating. Okay. Then we're gonna go back to our Target Street. It's going back. So there you go. Let me see. There we go. So end our video right there. Travessa de Misericordia. Right up with the Santa Claus is where we started at as well.